If you have left the big fish, we will not permit the small fish to suffer.
It's first to find out which fish has done the mistake.
ಆಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, fish court ಇದೆ, order ಇದೆ. In an aquarium, if one fish stinks, every fish will begin to stink. That's a different thing. But you should catch hold of big fish. ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಸ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅವ್ರೆಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. DDLR ಮೇಲೆ, ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಮೇಲೆ.
We'll file the charge sheet. If there is
No,
further investigation.
ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ವೇ nothing. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಗ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. DDLR ನ ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾರು ಕೇಸ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಟ ಆಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ.
40 ವರ್ಷ ಡಿಲೇ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓ, ಇನ್ನೂ ವರ್ಷ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ದು. 60 ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Makes my job easier.
No, my lord, sir. I'll just clarify.
If you have left the person who has taken a decision, you have caught hold of the person who has written the decision.
Now there is, my lords, an inquiry that is initiated saying there have been certain tampering and certain insertions in the revenue records, thereby grants have been fabricated as such. Now the main plank of their argument, my lords, is that there has been a departmental inquiry wherein they
Exoneration.
I would disagree, my lords. It's not per se an exoneration. There is censuring per se. He's been censured, which means there is some form of liability attributed to him, but it doesn't deserve punishment in that magnitude as such.
If it doesn't deserve any punishment as enumerated under the KCS CCA, it does deserve a criminal proceeding.
My lords,
Disproportionate asset adre heli ಅಥವಾ 7A adre heli, adರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ departmental inquiry nothing. Dereliction of duty is the crime, correct?
please, either which ways, my lords, the departmental inquiry having any implications as such on the criminal
So
proceedings.
even in Chandrasekhar in the peculiar facts ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು, ನಾನೇ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
No, I have the judgment here, Chandrasekhar.
26.
Please, my lords. 2026. What it says is.
Yeah, page number. SCC online.
Please, my lords, SCC online.
Page ಏನು?
March 26 page number is not there.
ಅದು page number 26 है.
It starts at 13, my lords.
Anyway, yes.
My
13.
apologies, my lords.
No problem. But that would not be completely applicable. Anyway, it's in orders. We'll post it in admission.
Please.
Entry ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
The draft charge sheet is ready. I've already filed it as a part of my statement of objection.
Recently, my lord, the honorable court has, my lord, as per the allegation, my lord, we have created the records. As against which, my lord, the government has passed the order for cancellation of the revenue entries. The state as well as the owner have challenged that order, my lord. Ultimately, my lord, the petition came to be allowed, filed by the owner of the land, and the writ petition dismissed by the state, upholding the grant made by the original owners.
This is on the ground that after 5 decades you can't wrap it up or you can't open it.
Melody,
but that would be on the benefit of there being an undue delay in taking initiative.
Melody, the government also, my lord, withdraw the complaint against the officer. These two petitioners only case worker, my lord. All the DDLR, Tahsildar and all withdraw the government, my lord. These two people are the case workers.
Objection ಹಾಕಿರಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Detail ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Yes. Orders ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ?
Orders ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Office objections. List the matter. Vacating stay ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Vacating stay ಇಲ್ಲ.
List the matter on ವರ್ಷ 24. Next Wednesday in the fresh matters list. We'll dispose it.
Lords, this judgment, I would say, is not on the ground that there is no crime as such. It is after a lapse of about 5 decades you can't open.
ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Tahsildar, DDLR and surveyor.
ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೂ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ? ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೂ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ? DDLR ಮೇಲೆ, ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ಮೇಲೆ.
We'll file the charge sheet. If there is
No,
further investigation.
ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ವೇ nothing. You register separate crime against them if you want to. ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್ನ, DDLR ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ you file that saying that we will register separate crime against them. Don't leave these people. If you have left the big fish, we will not permit the small fish to suffer.
It's first to find out which fish has done the mistake.
ಆಗೋಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಫಿಶ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಿಗ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಗ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. DDLR ನ, ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್ ನ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾರೋ ಕೇಸ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಟ ಆಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಈಗ.
I will secure instructions, my lords. I'll secure instructions to what my lords have pointed.
Correct. In an aquarium, if one fish stinks, every fish will begin to stink. That's a different thing. But you should catch hold of big fish. ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಸ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
No, ಈಗ ಇನ್ನ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Generally, crime ಆದ್ರು sir, crime ಆದ್ರು, you tell me. If you have left the person who has taken a decision, you have caught hold of the person who has written the decision.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಂದು ಏನ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ವೆದರ್ ದಟ್ is not written the decision. My lords may please take my statement of objection. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ every one of them what they have done we have pointed out.
13(1)D ಅದರೆಲ್ಲ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ?
Page number 67.
And if the court has accepted the landowner's plea and held that the grant is correct, what is the allegation?
The grant is correct not on its propriety, not on saying that these are not fabricated documents, because in a writ court you couldn't have given a fact finding.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, 40 ವರ್ಷ ಡಿಲೇ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ you can't rack it up ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓ ಇನ್ನೂ ವರ್ಷ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕಿದಿರಾ ಈಗ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ದು
ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ 1960 ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್
60 ಅನ್ನೋ 60 ಗ್ರಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
makes my job easy.
No, my lords, I'll just clarify. I understand my lords coming to a conclusion.
ಕೇಸ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ ನ್ಯಾಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೇರೆ
ಅವನ್ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ 60s ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಲಿಗೇಷನ್. ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ 60 per se. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಇವೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆನ್ಶ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ.
ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಎಂಕ್ವೈರಿ
ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ? DDLR ತಹಸೀಲ್ದಾರ್
ಲಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇವ್ರು ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಎಂಕ್ವೈರಿ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು.
One of them has passed away. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. I'll just read out one.
ಯಾರು passed away?
One of the ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. See 166, my lords, may please see. It says
nothing. We'll see next Wednesday. We'll close it on that day. Close it ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾವ ತರ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
I understand. No, I leave it to my lords. My lords could close it as per their judicious decision, I would say. Please.
ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ.
Yes.
Deeply open.
Next Wednesday, same stage ಅಲ್ಲ, in the fresh mind ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ.
Fresh mind.
Yes.
Deeply obliged. Deeply obliged.
Next.